What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarsFirst.com out at Ron Tonkin Toyota with this beautiful van. Of course, this one is pre-sold, but this is an all-new 2021 XLE all-wheel drive Toyota Sienna. This is a new color. They call this one Sunset Bronze. This has the light gray interior. Optional equipment on it has the temporary spare tire and all other formats. So everything else you see here is just your standard XLE all-wheel drive equipment. We've got 17-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in Firestone tires. You've got the LED fog lights, parking sonar all the way around. Of course, it has the new Toyota Safety Sense with full speed range, dynamic radar cruise control, lane trace assist, lane departure warning, road sign assist, automatic high beams, much more. Even on your basic LE models now, you're going to get blind spot monitoring standard. If you go with an LE Plus package or above, you're going to get the moonroof. So of course, standard on the XLE is the moonroof. The big difference on the XLE is you're going to get the power rear hatch as standard equipment, not available on the LE model. The all-wheel drives on LE and above trim are only available in 7-passenger seating configurations. Your rear seat is always going to be for 3 passengers. There's that spare tire over here. Nice big well. You've got fast chargers for the 3rd row. Really cool thing too, all of your power doors are also going to be foot activated as well. So I should be able to just come back here. Well, I think it works a little easier on these side doors. I should be able to. I think it has to be locked. Oh, the key is in the car, sorry. Won't be able to show you that, but these power doors and power rear hatch are gonna have a foot activation for them as well, so you can do it totally hands-free. There's more of those fast charging USBs. These this middle row of seats, you've got that release there that's going to slide it forward and back. This one is going to fold up as well as slide. Lots of rear seat legroom. You've got rear climate control here. Also in the doors, you got the pull-up sunshades that are just built in. Power doors there. Nice, beautiful day in Portland today. You can really see the color on that paint. Of course, it's got advanced keyless entry with push button start. All your power options here: power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, full power seat. Down here, you've got your fuel door release, your power doors on and off, your auto high beam activation, your odometer, your brightness of your dash lights. The headlights are full automatic. The inner ring here is your fog lights. Let's turn this thing on. Down here we've got different drive modes. The different drive modes will show up in the instrument cluster here. So you got Eco, Normal, and Sport mode. There's also an EV mode. The EV mode is kind of a redundant mode. The car is going to always try and be in EV mode, where you can see it here. It's just not always possible depending on your acceleration you're asking for from the accelerator pedal, or maybe like your heat's on full blast. You know, in those scenarios, it's not going to be able to go full EV. Also, it's not allowing us right now because our EV battery is not fully charged. Other features on the vehicle, we've got heated front seats. It is 3-zone climate control, so separate for driver, separate for passenger, separate for the rear passengers. when we press map, it doesn't do anything because this car does not have its own navigation. However, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, where when you are tethered up through this USB with your device, it should be able to pull up either your Google Maps or your phone's map system, Waze, whatever the case may be. The home screen here is this one. You can customize this home screen by going to Setup and Customize Home Screen. Some people want more information, some people want less information. Some people just want different information in those information blocks, so this is where you can customize all that. You do have Sirius XM 90-day trial. It comes with the vehicle as well. Of course, it's going to have Bluetooth. Lots of controls here on the steering wheel. These left-hand controls are going to give you different information in this display here. Of course, you got volume control there. You've got your cruise control on is here. When you turn your cruise control on, remember it's now adaptive cruise control. So you're really just setting a maximum speed. You're only going to go that speed if there's no vehicle in front of you. Otherwise, you're just following the vehicle in front of you and you're in control of how closely you're following that vehicle. This other button here on the steering wheel is for your lane departure warning, which is lane trace assist when cruise control is activated. Mode here will take you from AM to FM to satellite radio. Let's take a look up here. We've got your moonroof controls. If you just press and hold on those controls for an extra second, it'll go all the way. If you just tap it, it's just going to go like a second there. But if you just hold it down an extra second, it'll go the whole way. The other one here is to just tilt up in the rear there. These are additional buttons for all your power doors and power rear hatch. You've got your SOS button for your Toyota Safety Connect. This here is a little mirror, so you can see what's going on with the little ones in the back. We do have lighted vanity mirrors for driver and passenger. Nice little shelf here for your things. Plenty of cup holders. Nice big center console here with additional fast charging USBs. Just 3 miles on this car. If you're in the market for a van like this, I'd love to help you out with it. You can reach me through my website, OregonCarSource.com. If you're looking for a vehicle like that, they pretty much don't exist anymore. That one's, I think I'm selling in the next couple minutes. But you know, the 22s are coming out soon, and I'll be making videos about those. Yeah, if there's anything I can do for you, you know, just feel free to reach out to me through my website, OregonCarSource.com. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos. Have a great day.